Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of my brand new graphics card. This is the ASUS Prime RTX 5070. It's also an overclockable model, so we will be overclocking it. I don't know if we'll do it in today's video, but we're definitely going to be overclocking it. And then we're also going to compare it to my old graphics card, which is a Gigabyte 4060 Ti, 16GB. It's also an overclockable model as well. We're going to be seeing if the performance jump is really as great as everyone says it is. But without further ado, let's get straight into the video, so let's get it. And alrighty guys, we've got my handy dandy knife. Let's unbox this. Alright, no going back now. Now we've cut through the tape. Alright. I don't know if I have to open up the other side, but worst comes to worst, we open it. Actually, no, we don't need to. No, I really don't want to damage the box. Okay, box has been opened. Let's see, which side is this thing gonna be? We're gonna open it the old-fashioned way. Gravity. We're gonna let gravity do the work here. Look at that packaging, guys. Oh man. All right. I've said this before, I think in my ASUS keyboard unboxing, but ASUS always has such nice packaging. I gotta say, ASUS ROG packaging is always very nice. I swear, it feels so high level and so premium. We got this included with it. I'm gonna put that off to the side. I'm gonna put this off to the side as well. Oh man, there it is. Before we take it out. The meltable connector, the 12 volt VHB power connector. We'll also put that off to the side for now. Ooh, there's something else in here. What is this? I'm honestly not entirely sure what this is here, but we will come back to it later. But the main event, the thing that you guys most definitely clicked on this video to look at, which is the 5070. I almost said 4070. Oh man. Oh man, guys. It's not drastically bigger than my 4060 Ti, but it's definitely bigger. Not by much, but it's bigger. It does feel a little heavier for obvious reasons. I wonder if I should be wearing my black latex gloves that I was wearing in the PC video. Alright, because we can reuse some of this stuff, I'm gonna try and preserve as much of it as possible. Or actually, wow. Guys, this is a stunning card. This is a really stunning card, and the crazy part about this is I got this at such a good price. To not buy it would have just been probably just so wrong. Because the card I think retails for $6.99 if you go to like Best Buy, but they were doing like holiday deals, so it was like $5.79 or something, or $5.69. And it's just, you saved so much getting it. Like the price was pretty justified for the most part. You know, like you have like your not 4060 Ti's, but you have your 5060 Ti's that are in a very similar price range. Or if you wait till the holidays, you could get one of these at only a little bit more. I should bring out like my 50. Dude, I'm like losing my mind. I should probably bring out like the 4060 Ti just so you guys can see like a side-by-side of them. Because when I was trying to find out online how much bigger this card would be than the 4060 Ti, I couldn't really find many like side-by-side comparisons. It's not drastically bigger. I'm just going to say that right now. Just eyeballing it, I know it's not that much bigger, but it's a little heavier and it most definitely is longer. I'm actually going to... I might grab the 4060 Ti. I don't know if I want to like take it out just yet. And then we're going to find out what this is in a second, but I want to see this 12 volt VHB power connector. All right. Am I going to need the knife for this? I hope not. So this is the cable that had 40 series just freaking out. Well, not this exact cable, but the 12 volt VHB power connector. You know, surprisingly, this one looks really small. In videos, it looked so much bigger. I would like to mention though, I did actually order a new power supply. I got the Corsair RM850E because before I was running like the RMX 750, which was fine, but if you look at the regular system requirements for the 5070, it does recommend that you use like minimum a 750 watt, and I'm pretty sure it is recommended to go 100 watts over the recommended, which is just crazy mouthful that I've just said. So I was just like, you know what, the 850E at Best Buy is just on a good deal right now. It's $114, the same price as a 750E. So I'm like, I'm just gonna get it now while it's on sale before it goes back to its normal price. So I picked up one of those, and I actually did look at the 12 volt VHB power connector in there, and I was just like, wow, so this is the dreaded cable. But weirdly enough, this one's significantly smaller than the one in the power supply box. I'm not sure why, but it is for some reason. But I also ordered some cable extensions as well, which are not here yet, but they are on the way, which are from ASUS, and it does have the 12 volt VHB power connector, which was a must, obviously. And now, let's take a look and see what the is this Velcro strap? What is this? I'm not sure what this is for. The material feels very much like a brush. Like, I don't know if this is some type of cleaner, maybe. Maybe it might be. Like, it's probably meant for like going in the fan area here. I don't know. If you guys know what this is in the comments section, please let me know, because I'm just not sure what I'm supposed to do with this. If I think it's a cleaner for the fans or for the GPU to like get some dust off of it or clean out the fans if there's dust on it, but probably not going to touch this anytime soon. So we're going to put that off to the side. And I'm guessing we should probably put this in the PC now. I kind of wanted to do a side-by-side comparison and then just like go into some of the gameplay and see what the performance difference is. We're going to do performance tests on both cards, just so you guys know. So realistically, we're going to test out the 4060. We're going to do pure rasterization performance because not to trash on DLSS or frame gen, but it's mostly not real frames and it's not native either. So you guys probably already knew that, but I just had to say it. So the test we're going to do is pure rasterization test. We're going to be testing out Call of Duty, Fortnite, probably Forza Horizon as well. We're going to keep frame gen off. We're going to keep DLSS fully turned off. None of those things are going to be on, so the cards are going to have to work fully on their own, and we're just going to see what the performance gains are. Let's do the comparison between the two cards now. All right, guys, we're back, and we've got both graphics cards. So actually, looking at them in person, it is a sizable difference between them. You can most definitely see that there is a very clear size difference. Not by much, but I mean, even if you put them down like this, like you can see that there is clearly just a noticeable like size difference. I don't know why I thought they were going to be a lot similar in size, but like even just holding them, like the 5070 definitely has like just a little bit more weight to it. But yeah, like, yeah, time to move on. And we're finally breaking the cycle too. I've always had 60 series cards. Well, except for my very first graphics card, which was a Radeon RX 580, a relic now. And then it was the 1660 Super. Then it was the 3060. And then it was the 4060 Ti. And now we're on the 5070. So we're breaking the cycle after a few years. But I'm excited to see the performance difference between these two. We're going to start off with the 4060, we're going to do some gameplay testing, and then we're also going to do some testing with the 5070. Both are going to be on the exact same games. It also helps that they're going to be in the same system, so the specs are going to basically be the same except for the GPUs. We're going to see up close just how noticeable the differences are between their performances. So without further ado, let's get straight into the testing. All right, and guys, with that being said, that's going to wrap it up for today's RTX 5070 unboxing video. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments section down below. The performance gains between the 4060 Ti and the 5070 I thought was actually pretty good, especially because I got the 5070 almost close to MSRP, which you can't really beat that at that point. Like, it's a good price. I mean, there's other options or competitors, but I personally wanted something from NVIDIA. But I'm happy with the card. If you guys can get this at like some kind of discounted price or close to the MSRP, definitely do that. Do not pay the $699 price on any of the retailer websites. That's just not something you should do. There are better ways to like spend your money. If you're gonna consider that price range, go for the Ti model. It'll just give you more performance for that price range. But with that being said, that's it from me. Merry Christmas, even though it's already passed. Happy holidays, Happy New Year to all of you guys. I hope you guys have a great, long, happy, healthy new year. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button with those post notifications turned on so you guys never miss a video. I will see you guys all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.